Okay, so I just want to talk about my new install menu. So when you install a new Arch, you don't have all the programs installed, and then you have to remember what programs it is that you use or want. It's a whole slap. Just installing them is a whole slap. Just the basic programs that you need, especially for me, like Brave. I'm just using Brave, and to install it through Yay and go through that whole process and remembering all the commands, it's quite a challenge. I'm mentally challenged, I suppose. Right, so I just created this little script menu for myself, and I just put it in a curl command that I can just run anyway. So if I have a new install, obviously I don't have access to this to the script on my computer, so it lies in my GitHub. I can just access my GitHub through whatever browser I have installed. Obviously there's no browser installed, but you can, that's the only thing you have to do on Arch. You have to install a browser that's on their default repository. So usually I just install Chromium and then uninstall it again. Access your GitHub for Chromium and then run this command. So let's just run it. So it's going to curl that script down to your PC, and then it's going to do an update, system update, and then it's going to throw the menu. That's it. Right, and then I have Yay on there. I have Brave Origin because I only use Brave Origin now. It's a lighter version. It's stripped down, sleek and faster than the normal Brave. Then a few programs like Kate, Funar, Kitty, Snapper, which is very good to make snapshots because you will break art sometimes. And then I have the Hyprland Lua template. It's just a default Hyprland.lua template file. So if you're still sitting on the conf file, but you want the default Hyprland Lua file, just choose that and it will pull it down from here from my GitHub. So I've got this Hyprland.lua file straight from Hyprland's own GitHub page. It will just pull it down and copy it to the same folder as your conf file. And then you can start converting it manually or whatever. Right, and then a firewall, open SSH, and then create home folders, which I just added. On a new Arch install, there's usually no home folders installed, like the downloads folder, pictures, documents, and so on. As you can see here, there's nothing. So if you want that, you can just choose 15. Let's just choose 15. Okay, there you go. It actually put all the home folders back again. There's documents, downloads, pictures, music, whatever. And I can even delete them here and run that again, and it will put them back. Obviously, if you have files in there, you're probably gonna lose it. So that's just that, and yeah, just a little update on my menu. So I'm gonna make the Hyprland.lua template. I'm gonna make it so that it converts your Hyprland.conf file automatically. So I'm just gonna put, there's a conversion tool that I've created. It's hyperconf to Lua. The script is called, and I'm just gonna run that script inside here. So when you call this, when you choose this one, it's just gonna call that script and it's gonna convert your file for you. Obviously on a new Arch Hyprland install, it's gonna be very easy, but if you have an extensive customized conf file, then I think you should rather just do it manually. But yeah, that is my little menu. I think it's good. So yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, see you later. Good.